I'm Adam Blum, founder and CEO of CancerBot. Last August, I was diagnosed with follicular lymphoma. I wanted to get better than the standard of care that was being offered to me here in the UK. And so I went looking for trials. I went through all the clinical trial registers, clinicaltrials.gov, ISR, CTN, EU CTR, and spent weeks looking for trials, reading through the wall of text that expresses the eligibility and trying to find what was a match for me. I also used the commercial clinical trial matching services that were available at the time. They ask a handful of questions: age, stage, disease, grade, and then they say, hey, we have a match, and then they go sell you to pharma. None of the trials that were recommended to me were actually matches, and I'm still in those trial matchers databases, and they're sending me things that are not matchers. So CancerBot, by contrast, I've used my health record to onboard here. It knows everything about me. If people don't have an electronic health record, CancerBot will ask several questions with the bot, and then you get a set of trials that match you. So for my follicular lymphoma, if it comes back, these are some good trial matchers. I happen to be ordering by distance. You can also order by goodness or how much of the trial requirements you already match. So I'm going to click in here. This looks interesting to me: lenalidomide plus rituximab. And so what we're going to see then is here's the trial. We have all of the attributes. This is a quite complex eligibility criteria. This would take a long time to figure out. And you can see we're green on almost all of them. There's a few things that are missing, but I can actually fill them in. I can say, okay, my liver enzyme ALT level is a 40, and then you can see I am within less than 1 times the upper 0.889 of the upper level of normal maximum as a ratio. So that goes green. I can make the other stuff green, but whenever I want to, I can just click here and register my interest, and I will be contacted further about my eligibility for the trial. So in addition to us building this precision matcher, we are offering our software for free to any foundation or nonprofit. It is being used by Blood Cancer UK, Follicular Lymphoma Foundation, and with many more in the pipeline. One of the organizations we've offered it to for free is Harvard Med School's Department of Clinical Informatics, and they are conducting a pilot that we are leading the data definition effort for. What's the common patient data definition, and providing this clinical trial matcher. We're actually hoping with that to convince other trial matchers to do precision matching. So we would be very interested in talking about what does it really mean to do good clinical trial matching, eligibility, goodness, using a bot to get more information, storing things in an interoperable format. So I'd love to talk more about this on a podcast or whatever forum, more about the best practices in building clinical trial matchers that can serve patients best.